begin, may I make a humble request? Would you all be kind enough to switch off your mobile phones till the end of the program? Thank you. More beginnings than endings. Each day is a new life. What we call memories is really the present moment. For no one has ever lived in any moment but the present. And this moment is made worship Bishop Ignatius Mascarenhas, all other dignitaries, guests and parents to keep our circle wide and open. I now invite our Honorable Chief Minister, Raja Veerbhader Singh, His Lordship Bishop Ignatius Mascarenhas, Sister Marina, Dr. Major Ritu Kalra, and Sister Jacinta to light the Panchdi. Dispels darkness and illumines the path with invincible faith. Invite our principal, Sister Jacinta, to formally welcome our chief guest and all the other dignitaries present here this evening.
We cannot escape the result of our thoughts. For whatever our present environment might, the Sacred Heart Society's main motive is to serve humanity in whatever way we can, be it by providing an orphanage for the homeless children or an institution to develop the mind and soul of an impressionable child. Once having set the goal and having a mental vision of that, we walk towards it with a strong purpose and determination. It was our dream to provide Shimla with a school that would provide quality education to children of all stratas of society, especially the girl child. And thus, the journey of 1,000 miles began with this one single step, laying the foundation stone of a new educational institution at Delhi in 2008 and offer Shimla quality education at its very best. The voyage of discovery lies not in finding new landscapes, but in having new eyes, a fresh perspective. These last 9 years have been eventful years in the growth of our institution. As energy and persistence conquer all things, we have been driven by them to cross many landmarks, for arriving at one goal is the starting point of another. We strongly believe that the most important goal of education is to equip the students to meet the needs of the times, for education influences attitude and cultural patterns of living moral and ethical values, so that the students are able to discriminate between right and wrong throughout their lives. The quality of a nation is determined by the quality of its students. It is our earnest endeavor to groom our students, so that those who bring sunshine in the lives of others cannot keep it from themselves. What you throw into the universe comes back to you. We at Sacred Heart believe in making each of our students stand tall and work on his or her strength. For each of us has a special excellence up to a point. A person's life is shaped by environment and heredity, but and determination. For the winds and waves are always on the side of the ablest navigator. We have successfully seen two batches fly the nest with not only an excellent board result to their credit, but also as individuals in their own right, moving on in life with a firmness of purpose. This year also, our third batch passed out with flying colors. Today indeed is a day for celebration, as there is much that we have achieved in the sojourn of these last 9 years. It is indeed a proud moment in the history of our institution to have our Honorable Chief Minister Raja Veerbhadra Singh in our midst today. Our Honorable Chief Minister has an illustrious political career to be proud of in 1980. In 1976, he was proud to be a member of the Indian delegation holding the portfolios of tourism and civil aviation and of industries in the Government of India. He was elected Member of Parliament from Mandi Parliamentary Constituency, Himachal Pradesh in 2009. He remained Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh from 8th April 1983 to 5th March 1990, from 3rd December 1993 to 23rd March 1998, and from 6th March 2003 to 29th December 2007, and yet again became the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh from 25th December 2012 for a record 6th time. To make the girl and woman of the state strong so that they can save themselves from all pitfalls and stand tall. Once again, I also take this opportunity to extend a in a state that promotes Beti Anmol Hai, which raises the intellectual tone, cultivating the mind and spirit, fighting age-old prejudices, giving the girl child her place in the sun, it is only appropriate that we celebrate this womanhood and inaugurate the Nuzo Auditorium, staging its very first dance drama on the life of Razia Sultan. For the Sultan is a small effort on our part to bring back to life pages of history and relive and celebrate the glory of an era gone by. Once again, a very warm welcome to one and all. Wishing you an enjoyable evening. Thank you.
Deepest, darkest moments, what gets us through is prayers. Prayer is a powerful spiritual force. It honors God, acknowledges His being, exalts His power, and crowns God with the honor and glory due to His name. It is therefore befitting that we begin this evening with a prayer dance.
Before you, oh Lord, and all my regrets and all my acclaim, the joy and the pain, I'm making them yours. Things in the past, things yet unseen, wishes